Welcome to Viet Health Kitchen. Today we're taking you on a journey to discover 3 powerful ingredients that, when combined, deliver surprisingly effective results for your health. Don't believe it? Let's find out together. After 60, weight doesn't move like it used to. It settles quietly around the belly, the waist, the hips, and refuses to budge. And along with the weight comes the discomfort, bloating, sluggish digestion, a general sense of heaviness that no amount of sleep or stretching seems to fix. But here's something most doctors don't say loud enough: weight after 60 isn't just about fat. It's about toxins. It's about inflammation. It's about a body that's working harder to process what once came easy. And that's where gentle detoxification comes in, not the extreme kind, but the steady, natural kind. The kind that honors your body, not punishes it. Today's remedy does exactly that. It's made of grapefruit, fresh ginger, and warm water. You may have heard of grapefruit for weight loss, but when paired with ginger, a warming circulatory tonic, and warm water, which gently activates digestion, this drink becomes far more than the sum of its parts. It becomes a morning ritual of release, of movement, of clarity. And for elders who want to shed what no longer serves them, whether it's toxins, stagnation, or just old habits, this is a powerful way to begin. Let's explore each part of this formula and how it works, especially for bodies over 60. Grapefruit has long had a reputation as the diet fruit. But what most people don't know is that grapefruit is also one of the most efficient liver-supporting fruits available. Rich in vitamin C, fiber, and natural enzymes, grapefruit helps the body break down fat more effectively, not just by burning calories, but by clearing congestion in the liver, which is responsible for metabolizing fat. As we age, our liver doesn't process as efficiently. This can lead to slower fat metabolism, toxin buildup, digestive sluggishness, blood sugar spikes. Grapefruit addresses each of these gently. It helps stimulate bile flow, which breaks down fat, regulate blood sugar, provide hydration and fiber to flush waste. And for weight management after 60, that's critical. What's more, grapefruit contains naringenin, a flavonoid that improves insulin sensitivity and increases fat-burning enzymes in the liver. This isn't hype. It's real biochemical support for aging metabolism. But grapefruit doesn't work alone. It needs warmth to move energy. It needs circulation. It needs ginger. Ginger is heat in plant form. Warm, spicy, and slightly sweet, this root has been used for centuries to stimulate digestion, increase blood flow, and support internal detoxification. After 60, many people experience poor circulation, cold hands and feet, sluggish digestion, constipation, or a heavy feeling after eating. Ginger directly addresses these issues by stimulating digestive enzymes in the gut, increasing blood flow to the organs, reducing inflammation in the digestive tract, relieving nausea, bloating, and indigestion. But ginger's true strength lies in its ability to move stagnation. When paired with grapefruit, it helps the body not just metabolize fat, but move it out through the bowels, the urine, the skin. And unlike caffeine or laxatives, ginger is gentle. It's warming without being irritating, energizing without causing crashes. Plus, it supports joint health, immune balance, and blood sugar stability, all critical for people over 60 working to manage their weight and energy. Warm water might seem like the least important part of this formula, but don't underestimate it. Most elders wake up dehydrated. Their digestive systems are cold, slow, and underactive. Warm water is the key to waking everything up gently. Here's what warm water does. Stimulates peristalsis, the wave-like muscle movement of digestion. Hydrates the lymphatic system, which removes waste. Supports kidney function. Improves circulation without shocking the system like cold water. Warm water also enhances the absorption of grapefruits and ginger's active compounds. It dissolves, transports, and delivers healing throughout the body. And unlike cold water, it doesn't stall your digestive fire, it fuels it. Together, these 3 ingredients form a morning elixir that does more than hydrate. It primes your body for movement, metabolism, and release. Ingredients for 1 serving. 1/2 grapefruit juice. 1. 2 thin slices of fresh ginger or 1/4 tussup grated. 1 cup warm water, not boiling. Optional additions. 1/2 ts raw honey if you need a touch of sweetness. A pinch of cayenne to boost thermogenesis. Preparation. Heat the water until it's warm but not hot. Add the ginger and let it steep for 3–5 minutes. Add fresh grapefruit juice. Stir and drink slowly, ideally on an empty stomach. When to drink? First thing in the morning before any food or coffee. Optional second serving 30 minutes before lunch. Tips for success. Drink for at least 7 consecutive days to see initial benefits. Use fresh grapefruit, not bottled juice. Ginger should be fresh, not powdered for maximum effect. Avoid drinking cold beverages immediately after. Best paired with light morning movement, stretching, walking. A clean, fiber-rich breakfast oatmeal fruit nuts. This drink is not meant to replace meals. It's meant to activate digestion and flush out what's weighing you down. Feedback from real seniors. I lost 4 pounds in 2 weeks, not just from diet, but from actually going to the bathroom regularly again. Linda, 68. My skin looks less puffy. I have more energy by 10 a.m. than I used to get all day. Carl, 72. It doesn't taste sweet, but it makes my body feel clean. Martha, 70. Common mistakes to avoid. Using boiling water. This can destroy ginger's enzymes and taste bitter. Skipping grapefruit and just drinking warm water, you'll miss the fat-burning effect. Drinking it after a heavy breakfast, this reduces its detox benefits. Giving up after 3 days, real change begins around day 5 to 7. Tip from a 74-year-old retired nurse. I treat this like brushing my teeth. It's not dramatic, but it's daily, and my body thanks me every day I do it. After 60, health is no longer about speed. It's about rhythm. And this small act, warming water, slicing ginger, squeezing a grapefruit, sets that rhythm for the day. This drink won't make you skinny overnight, but it can make you lighter, more regular, more alive. It's about starting the day, not with deprivation, but with circulation. Not with harshness, but with honor for what your body has carried and what it can still let go of. So try it, 7 mornings, see how your body responds. And then ask yourself, what would it feel like to begin every day by giving your body a message of movement, not weight, of release, not restriction? If this resonated with you, please like the video, subscribe for more natural health insights, and share it with someone you care about. Until next time, drink gently, live lightly. And remember, healing doesn't begin in the medicine cabinet. It begins with warm water and an open heart.